Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing my daughter London's hair. Just look at it. It needs to be done. She has a lot of lint in there, so I'm going to take the lint out and style it. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and welcome. My name is Ashley. I do tips, lifestyle videos, cleaning videos, and motherhood videos. You can also follow me on Instagram at juggling_motherhood_. Now, if you look at this right now, you can see in the light that she has a lot of lint in it. So now I am about to get her in the tub, wash her up, and then I'm going to shampoo her hair. I did edit the washing up part, so you will see me just get straight to the washing of the hair. To wash her hair, I did use raw Shea Chamomile and Argan oil for babies. This is a wash and a shampoo, and I must say I really do like it. And this is not an ad. I really do like SheaMoisture. This gave my daughter hair some oil, and it didn't leave it dry. So what I am doing now is just getting her hair lathered and untangling her hair with my fingers. Sorry for the blurriness. So I'm just making sure my daughter has enough shampoo in her hair, and I'm going to make sure that she has it in the back of her hair too. So next I will be getting a comb and combing her hair out in sections, which you will see now. So what I like to do is comb my daughter's hair in sections, like I said earlier. But I like to start from the end of her hair and work my way down to the root of her hair. That way it's not so hard on her, it doesn't hurt her, and it's much easier to comb, as you can see. And I also get the lint out by combing it that way too. I make sure I get all the lint out. Once I rinse her hair, I will be done and I will style it. Now how I rinse her hair out is I lay her back and I get a little cup, plastic cup, and I cover my daughter's eyes, which you will see. And that way I take the shampoo. That's how I get the shampoo out of her hair. Now I wanted to share with you guys, after every bath, I pick my daughter up and we look in the mirror and I tell her how beautiful she is, how much I love her, and I call her a clean baby, and she just giggles. And I just really wanted to show that part of the day with you guys. Now I am going to part her hair the best that I can. When it comes to a baby, like, it doesn't have to be perfect. They're just gonna fight you. I am picking out a few little lint that was left over. It was only like maybe 3 to 4 pieces of lint left in her hair. But now I am parting it, and like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. She's only 10 months old. She's going to do a lot of moving. Now the oil that I'm using is a coconut oil, and this is my first time using it, and I must say it wasn't my favorite. It was oily, which is to be expected, but it did not last very long in her hair. I use another brand, which I will use in my next video. But in this video, the coconut oil, scale of 1 to 10, I will give it a 6, maybe a 5.5. Once again, sorry for the blurriness. With the movement of me and the baby, it kind of was trying to find this focus. towards the end of the video, and I just want to say, guys, thank you for watching so far, and thank you for clicking the button to watch my video. I did not want to edit too much out because I call my channel Juggling Motherhood, because I did not want to make it seem like doing her hair was easy, because it wasn't. I didn't want to make it look like I was perfect or my daughter was perfect. So I wanted you guys to see there was some challenges. If you're new to my channel, welcome again, and also hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram. Once again, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and give this video a thumbs up or comment below what you think. Now, after fighting with my daughter, here is the end result with all the ponytails done. Thanks for watching.